Well, it's time to get this bumper cover painted. You know the routine by now. Adhesion promoter, sealer, base coat, and clear coat. Yeah, let's do it. Well, there's the sealer. Shame it wasn't black, but it's not. Well, there's the base coat. It's black again. Well, let's get some clear on. Clear coat is on. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Sounds good to me. Yeah, at the stump again. I've been burning trash in it for 2 years and still hasn't burned away. We're getting there. Maybe another 5 or 6 years, I'll have it flat. Yeah, I'm going back and forth with glue tabs. I'll finally get it. Old dear kicked it up pretty good. Got most of it out the suction cup. Yeah, got a lot of little dings in it. I'll probably still have to do a little filling, but very little. Yeah, still got to get that. It's closer than it was. Some damage up here too. We'll get it. Just have to stay at it. Look like a new one. Well, first thing, we need to vacuum the AC system out. I want to check to see if that used AC condenser has any leaks or the connection. We'll try that first before we put that front end back on. That may save us some time later. We'll get the AC working first, just in case. Well, didn't show no signs of leaks. Went ahead, charged the AC up, let it sit overnight, still ice cold. Think it's gonna work. Not like Jack. He's not gonna work. Now let's get this back together. Yeah, gotta get that fit. That's a miracle. Just eyeballed it. Yeah, I'm not that good. That's just luck. I'm moving right along. We'll get her straight. Couple little dings to fix the hood. Right here was folded under. It's not anymore. Still got work to do. Yeah, the door looks pretty good. I spent a lot of time just glue pulling it. Couldn't get it perfect, but went ahead and had to prime, block it out, and get it straight. Had a lot of little waves in it. Just couldn't get those out with glue pulling it. That'll work. Looks pretty slick. Yeah, looking down the side of it. Looks straight. Well, let's get some tape and paper on it. Get this thing painted. We got more on the way. Well, I'm not going to get much of a finished shot on this one. Pouring down rain outside. But there's what I got. It's all buffed out. Just put the pinstripes back on. Door straight. Everything works. You'll need another buffing after about a month or so. Yeah, you got to wait 120 days for the paint to cure before you can wax it. It'll never really look good until you can wax it, especially on black. Well, that'll do it. We'll see you on the next one.